Okay, video number 2. At what age should Santi start eating? Well, maybe there's the answer to the question. At what age should Santi start eating soup out of a bowl with a spoon on his own? I'm guessing it's not yet. I'm guessing 1 was too soon. And there's this bad habit again. Oh, Santi, do you want to try and use your spoon? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and use the... See, now that was a totally legitimate bite. I think the issue is plates. I mean, you just want to turn this thing over, or you want to lick it like a dog. It's just not working. No. Mom has the energy to say no. Oh, but she's slow.